To make the melon salad, we will first take watermelon and then muskmelon or cantaloupe. You can take a mix of different types of melons here. Then we are going to add some cucumber, one small onion which is sliced, a few olives, and we will crumble some feta cheese on top of it. Next we are going to add some really fresh mint leaves. Next we are adding pumpkin seeds for texture. We're going to make a very simple instant dressing with balsamic vinegar and honey. Just whisk it all well and pour it over the salad. Next we're going to add some salt. Add black salt for a different taste. Now we're going to add some crushed pepper. We've used pink peppercorns here. You can use regular pepper too. And that's it. Mix it all well together and your salad is ready. If you like this fresh salad recipe, please do not forget to subscribe to 1 Teaspoon of Life and follow us on Instagram.